How to watch Premier League live on PC. This method is gonna be illegal, so we'll do this legally. Now pull up your preferred web browser. I'm currently using my Google Chrome for the sake of this tutorial. Now head to your search bar and type in Sky Sports. From here, scroll down a bit and choose on the skyports.com official website. Once you're here, hover your mouse to sports, click, and then go to football. Now, under live on Sky, these are the leagues that you can watch. So let's just go ahead and click on any of those current on live. Now from here, this is connected with Now Sports membership. To do that, just simply click on this link right here, get a Now Sports membership. Now it will take you to a next tab. And from here, you can choose to pay like 14.99, and they also have any other features that you can go here. Now all you just have to do is just simply click on membership, and then you'll just wanna select on what specific method you want. If you want the 6-month saver membership, a day membership, or a flexible month membership. You just have to select on your preference, and then you'll add your billing address or maybe your payment method and add this to your cart, start paying, and then watch the game live. So that's how you watch Premier League live using your laptop legally.